So you're expecting twins. When can you start to feel the twins from in the inside as mom or from the outside as dad? That's what we're talking about today. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com, where I help you survive and thrive as a parent of twins. So the question is, when can you start to feel the twins' movement during the twin pregnancy? So before we jump into this, remember, every twin pregnancy is different. So if you're going to compare yourself to maybe friends that you have or experiences you've had with a singleton child, every time is going to be a little bit different based on several factors we'll talk about right now. When you go to see the babies on the ultrasounds, they're going to be bouncing all over the place, and you're wondering, how come I cannot feel this movement on the outside? Or how come mom can't feel it when the babies are inside her belly, right? Well, there's several factors that can impact that. First of all are the size of the babies. Another factor to consider is the placentas. Each twin can potentially have a placenta that is then kind of a buffer between the baby's movements and the outside world. So if the placenta is positioned between, let's say, mom's outside of mom's belly and the babies themselves, it acts as insulation and helps muffle that movement sensation. Mom should definitely start to feel some fluttering and some movements within her by 15 to 16 weeks of the pregnancy. Now, this is about the same as with a singleton pregnancy. So you think even though you've got two little ones bouncing around, it's about the same time of the pregnancy. You should, if not by 15 or 16 weeks, definitely by 20, 22 weeks, you should start to feel that motion of the twins inside mom. Now, that's just mom feeling the babies inside her. Now, for us, dads, from the outside looking in, trying to get, feel mom's belly, to feel any motion, that's going to come a little bit later. Somewhere between 22 to 26 weeks, dad, you're going to be able to feel the motion by putting your hands on mom's belly and feel those babies bouncing around inside. According to Dr. Horsager at Southwestern Medical Center, there's a few other factors that come into play when determining if you can feel your baby's movement or not. We've talked about position of the placenta acting as an insulator. How much amniotic fluid is in there with the babies can also act as a kind of a buffer or a cushion to muffle the motion that you feel on the outside. And also different size moms. So if mom has more body mass, whether it's muscle or fat or a combination of those things, that may also muffle some of the motions of the babies than maybe a smaller, more petite, thinner mother. So it all based on mom and the babies, the placentas, the amniotic fluid, the positioning of the babies to know when you can start to feel those twins move around inside. I know that I loved to see the motion on my wife's belly during the pregnancy with our kids. It was fun to see that because it made everything so much more real for me as a dad, because you're always looking at the ultrasounds and it's kind of surreal seeing the screen, but then when you see or can feel the motion on mom's belly, that's like, okay, yes, there's definitely something going on inside there. We're going to have kids soon, and this is an exciting time. That being said, the motion is not always consistent. It's not always predictable. Oftentimes my wife would call me over and say, hey, honey, put your hands on my belly right here. And I'd run over and I'd put my hands on her belly, and I wait, and I wait, and I wait. And no, nothing. The baby's decided, okay, they're going to calm down as soon as I show up. So be patient, because before you know it, you're going to feel those babies moving around. Either if you're mom, feel them moving around on the inside. If you're dad, you're going to feel and start to see them moving around on the outside. And before you know it, you'll be holding those little babies and be loving them and taking care of them. So if you've hit that 15 to 16 week mark of the twin pregnancy and you're not feeling your twins moving around, make sure you have a conversation with your doctor. And then once you start to feel the babies move, and the motions should be on a regular basis, you'll start to notice the schedule of how they happen on a daily basis, or after mom has certain activities. You can feel those babies. And if that motion becomes irregular or stops, definitely make sure you talk to your doctor about that as well. If you've already been through that state of the pregnancy where you started to feel your babies, how long was it through the pregnancy before you got to feel your babies moving, mom from the inside and dad from the outside? Why don't you leave a comment below and let us know so we know what to look forward to. If you'd like more tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos and subscribe to the channel for more tips and practical advice on raising your twins. And if you'd like a shirt like this, Twin Parenting Jurassic Park Edition, head on over to twintshirtcompany.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.